Alright, goodbye Universal in the heart of Japan.
Galing na tayo dyan eh.
Diyan na yung driver.
In the heart of tourism. Alright.
Ayun na, nanggaling na tayo dyan. Nakakaliwa tayo.
So in the heart of tourism.
Number 6732
6732. Okay, I'll remember. Alphard 6732. Sana hindi ko man makakalimutan dahil sa pag-vlog ko. So, this is the last time of having tour guide or tour. Tour and travel. Tour and travel sceneries. Wow. Look at the Christmas tree. Guys, can we take a picture? May Christmas tree, oh. There, Christmas tree.
7:30.
Alright. So, I want to say about this Universal was so fun. So fun to tour different culture, different global media culture and movies relates to magical. So in other words, Merry Christmas. Bye. Merry Christmas to everyone in the world, no? So that concludes our Universal Studios here in Japan. Did you enjoy, Ma'am? Nanay? Nag-enjoy kami sa Japan. So we shall be here as trick or treat as planned, no? So dito na tayo nag-Christmas. Sa Pilipinas, we don't do. Wow, Hello Kitty. So 2 more days na lang and we're going back to our humid country, Philippines. Uwi na tayo sa humid country. No. You know, ayoko pang umuwi. I don't wanna go home yet. Whatever. The video to the uncle. Okay. Ayan, bilisan na natin kasi nandiyan na ang Grab, ang van. So before ayan, Minions. You like to buy Minions? So let's have a little tour guiding. And one of the reasons kaya na rin ako nag-tourism, no, so many tourist destinations. That's Hollywood. Bolangiri. So you see the cross? We feel that we're like in LA or Orlando. Macam.
Nakaliwa tayo doon.
Look, we're like in US, Macam.
Looks.
I love you.
Oh, parang sa Pilipinas, oh. Sabi ko na, kahit saan meron election.
Ninang, parang US na to.
Oo, eh kasi din naman sa'yo.
Yung mga stoplight, that's why I love that.
Lagi yan, no? Hindi tayo nanood, no? Drama.
Hoy, you want to watch? Guys, we can do that for a while. So, before anything else, Merry Christmas to everyone in the world, no? We celebrate the birthday of Papa Jesus. And to our dear ones. Thanks to Michael Jackson and Bruno Mars. Right.
Eh, pwede. Kung gabi ka lang uwi.
We'll not take a train anymore. So, pagod na tayo, we'll just take a car or van. Ako. So we'll go to the parking. Kasi car na lang tayo. Dinala na ng service ni Tito Ronio ko.
Hindi tayo nakabili yung mga t-shirt.
Oh my gosh! See that? Bukas Montonki. Tomorrow we're just gonna buy some pasalubong. Kasi we're going home na rin, no? Okay.
Welcome to Universal Studios Japan, where dreams and fantasy come.
Ayan, ang dami na rin napipila sa ngayon. Look, mami, ang dami na rin
Dito yung
tourist
taxi stand, kasi dito tayo nag-arrive eh. Diyan.
Taxi.
So dito nga. Oo, dito. Kasi doon tayo galing eh.
If you go there, that's going to the train. USJ. So we're just gonna book a van.
Okay, okay. Mafio.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Ethan, it's stairs. Mafio.
So kanina I saw the kababayans there, no?
Tama, umaga ha. Kasi gusto ko pumunta ng Asian sa iba.
Hmm. So 2 months before. Yeah, I think the exit is there. Exit is there, I think. Yeah, doon talaga ang exit. Sorry, we got the wrong way. The exit. AirAsia ulit ang sasakyan natin pa uwi, no? Jeepney. No.
Hintay naman yun. Usapan 5 o'clock eh. Sa kanila.
Why? You don't want to share? The magical. Okay, sorry, I can't close the botones of the bag. Na-freeze yung aking hands ko. So, we're gonna be picked up back to the hotel. I don't have any earphones para makinig ng music. Arigato gozaimasu. We enjoyed. We'll be back again in heart of Universal Studios. Thank you very much.
家でゴロゴロしたい。 Ayan na, mag-ano tayo sa Universal. Jump tayo ah. Jump tayo. Uy, picture tayo.
Dito ba?
Oo, di ba? Jump tayo.
Alright, the flag. Nintendo World, US, Japan, Korea, Philippines, Indonesia. Congratulations to everyone who appreciate the intense ride, no? Congratulations. Siguro mag-dinner muna ay we're just full. So turning right is going to the train station to back to the Shinkansen train. But we're gonna take a car or bus.
Meron na ako.
Magbabus na lang tayo or van. We'll just take the bus going home. The bus. The bus going. Yes. Tomorrow siguro papunta ng Dotonbori, Shinsaibashi. Mag-bus na lang tayo. Yeah, I saw the car. Wala. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Palis na.
Oh my God. My God, late na.
Chine-check pa niya.
Too bad. Too bad our van. Mami, too bad naman.
Ayan, baka nila.
Ah,
Anong
okay.
number? Off ko na to, alopat na ako eh.
Hindi, kailangan ko.
Ayun na. There's Harry Potter's castle.
Oh my God.
Hogwarts.
Wow, you see Harry Potter?
Castle over there?
Yeah.
That's Hogwarts.
I rode that in the US and it's very intense.
That's Hogwarts.
I don't want to ride there again.
That's Hogwarts.
I think when I go back to the hotel, I'm gonna watch that movie though. Okay? Right?
Oy, malaki yung van.
Yeah, it's a bus. So, that's the car of Miss Melba. She'll take us to the hotel. She'll take us back to our apartment. And then tomorrow, ano tayo? We're so tired na.
Sino sa back? Kayo na lang.
Kami na lang. O kaming tatlo. Kayo, ikaw naman
Saan ako makaupo?
Sayang, hindi ko na-video yung ano. Nahirapan si Matt.
Yeah. Fast. Dito gozaimasu. Naka-heater na dito.
Yes.
Or you can feel.
Love it. Hungry again? No. daw.
Salamat Universal Studios, and congratulations to everyone who did the intense ride. So that's Universal Studios. We're now going back to our hotel for 2 nights.
Looks like a big ride. Magalis na ka, magalis na ka. Galis na ka,
No boys, you wanna go back
No.
next time?
Yes, go back next time.
Ang dami,
No Mario
you know, no Mario Kart na, Daddy.
No Mario.
Ah, we've done it already.
Other rides naman.
The other rides na, okay?
Yeah,
Very
Harry,
nice.
Harapata.
By that time, you have watched Harry Potter already.
Daddy's
Ay, hindi, sa ano naman, may sa ibang bansa na Universal.
Singapore.
Yun.
Singapore.
But it's very hot
He
there.
likes, Daddy Malcolm likes again the Jurassic.
Basta
And
naman
then,
ako makom.
The Jaws daw, Malcolm wants
Hindi
to
nga
be
tayo
in the
nakapunta ng Transformer eh.
corner. Meron ba?
Meron.
Wala Transformer dito, Logs. Kasi sa LA meron eh, Transformers.
Yeah, we went there.
Ano ko nakikita mo?
Meron ding ano,
So that's it. We're now going back
Marvel
to
ba? Meron din ba? Marvel.
Shishenkai, to our apartment. It's a bit
Alam ko
long drive.
Transformer meron eh. Meron nga kami video, di ba si Megatron? Nakakatawa siya.
Parang wala dyan.
Nakakatawa
Oh,
si
yeah,
Megatron. Puro insulto sa amin. Lalo na kay Ate Wal. Sabi niya nung kay Ate Wal, kasi sa Ate Wal, hindi siya sumasagot kay Megatron. Sabi niya, nice talking with you.
Mm-mm.
Do you even understand?
Yeah.
Parang gano'n.
Classmates ko yung
What
iba
I
kong,
say?
yung iba kong classmates sa Jasams dati, ganyan. Kasi other classmates like sa anime, play, no? Kaya nakakamiss ang
Nakakatawa
Jasams
kay
na
Ate Wal eh.
namimiss ko yung high school na may play rin, no? Fun with classmates, jokes, and more on role play.
Ang hita ng leg ko.
Kasi ngayong college, serious na, pero happy rin kahit nagle-learn.
Happy birthday. Ilang minutes to, be?
30.
Ha?
So wala akong earphone na dala para makinig sana ng music, so just sleep na lang. Thank you guys for watching.